It's me, Shirin, Poyara Sri, Vishnu Maya Madam. People are facing a lot of issues. They are thinking about why they are facing this type of issues. They are working hard, they are very intelligent, they are planned also, but their life is very disaster right now. So people are thinking about how to get rid of all these problems. They want great solution, they want fast solution, they want real solution. So I can help you, I can guide you, I can give advice how you can become a powerful person like a Ubasagan. How the Ubasagan gets success every day process. That the same process, if you are doing in your life, you will get miracle result, miracle power you can feel. That is Vishnu Maya Swami Chatan's special pujas from Poyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam. It's a real powerful puja. If you want to get success very immediately and you want to get everything in your life, this is the solution. You can come to Poyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam. I can help you, I can guide you, I can protect you. This is my word. This is Sharin Shanmugan Poyara Sri Vishnu Maya Madam.